What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. It's cold here in Texas, but today we're going to work on the front bumper of the second gen Scion XP. So as you know, I've taken both bumpers off, had them painted, and then I took the KENSTYLE body kit off of both of them. Now today we're going to add the KENSTYLE kit to the front bumper. There's a couple of changes that I'm doing, as you may know if you've seen on my other videos of what I'm trying to do, but we're going to put the body kit front corners on the bumper today. So let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, we have 3M tape. It goes here, 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 all the way around. And keep in mind that this is what was on the car when I took these off. So this is not just me trying to stick something on the body kit. It came like this from the manufacturer. We also have this black molding that was on all the KENSTYLE body kits here. So I did buy that. So that'll go on there as well. And so now what we'll do is we'll stick it onto the bumper and make sure that it fits snug. We do have screws here as well down at the bottom, so it'll be secure. And as you can see, I don't have this piece in there, so you'll see later on what I'm trying to do. All right, so now that we've got the adhesive 3M tape, I'm gonna grab a razor, and basically what I'm gonna do is take this red backing off. So the easiest way is just to grab it here, lay it flat on the 3M tape, and kind of just peel it off. Just like that. And we'll do it to all locations.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation
up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up.
Alright, so last time you saw this, it had the weather stripping that went all down here. I took it off. I didn't like it. I like the look of just the body kit the way it is like that. But what I did was the double-sided tape was coming off right here and here. And all I did was heat it up again, and there you go. It's now on there pretty good. And so here, these corners here I'll redo, but they're good. And all this here, you can see there. I mean, it's on there. A little bit of a gap, but we're good to go.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet.
Well, there you have it. We've added the corners of the KENSTYLE body kit to our front bumper on the 2.5 SCION XB. We're doing a little different something to it, but like, comment, share, subscribe. Oil and Gears, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. See you on the flip side. Peace!
Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling their bluff.
Alright, here's a mock-up. I took all the letters off of the honeycomb grill because it was no longer usable. So I cut the letters out here. And this is just a mock-up of what I'm trying to do. As you can see, the letters come off. This is not honeycomb, so it's going to look a little bit different, but there you go. What do you think?